Welcome to the free PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up your IP phone on the free PBX phone system. You'll first want to factory reset your phone. Make sure the phone restarts to its default settings because we don't want to reach out to another PBX system. Log into your free PBX server. Hover over Applications, then click on the Extensions tab. If you need to add a new extension, check out the links in the description. If you have an existing extension, click on the Edit icon under Actions. Under the General Settings, copy the password found in the Secret text box. We do not recommend changing the password to something easier, as this allows hackers to easily access your extension to make fraudulent calls. If your extension is compromised, please update this password right away and make it very complex. Next, you'll want to access your phone's GUI. We'll demonstrate with Fanville's GUI. Other phones like Polycom, Snom, Yealink, and Grandstream will be similar to this configuration. You can access the phone's GUI by typing in the phone's IP address in your web browser. If you do not know the phone's IP address, it can usually be found in the phone's network settings or with a network scan. Enter the default login and password information for your phone. You can search for the default password for your phone online. We recommend changing your default password on the phone to help secure your phone and phone system. Click on the Line tab to configure the SIP settings. Activate this user by checking this box. The username and authentication user fields should be set to your extension number. Set the display name to the extension's name. Set the realm and server address to the public IP address of the free PBX. Set the authentication password to the secret from the extension on free PBX. Click on Apply. Make some test calls to verify it's working correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an IP phone in the free PBX phone system. Check back for more helpful videos on free PBX, as well as other helpful guides.